Okay, lesson number 13. This one, from this point is where you'll actually be playing music in a sense. Now, it's called voice leading. And the last lesson we talked about was called inversions. This is where you'll actually be using inversions to play the chords. When you play one chord to another chord, the transition in between that, if you just play only the root position, it's not going to sound as interesting unlike when you use inversions. So what I'll play is the root positions to let you know what it sounds like. I'm going to just play a bunch of chords, and it's going to just sound root position again. G, root position, A minor, E minor, F, C, D minor, G, C. Okay, now I'm gonna play using inversions, these chords that I just played, but I'm gonna explain it after I play it. So I'll play it with this inversion form naturally, and then I'll explain it. So we're gonna start with C. Okay, so I just went down the scale and I played the closest note from one chord to the other. For instance, I played C, and then the next chord is G. But instead of jumping to the root position here, the closest one is the first inversion. So as you can see, so this is very close from the C to this, because the root position is here, but I put the G up here, and instead of playing it to the root position, I played the first inversion. And then it's A minor, and then it's already the closest. And then it's E minor, but I'm just gonna play it like this. Because instead of root position, I'm gonna play the first inversion, because from here to here, it's the smoothest possible. And then we have F, and then first inversion is closer. And then C, second inversion, D minor, second inversion, and then G, C. Okay, I'm gonna explain this a little more, and this is where it'll become very, very fun to play. But that's why it sounds different, because of that inversions that you're using from chord to another chord to go as smooth as possible and musically as possible.